Are we gone? I think we're going. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today, um, I'm confused. Oh, no, here we go. Alright. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Although, this is a continuation. I'm trying to get my headphones to work. I just restarted my computer, and I think I found out one of the reasons. Sorry, I was eating hot fries. Alright. I'm gonna put that over there for later. So my charging pad, well, hold on. The first mistake is when I turn these off, they are off right now actually. When I turn them off, on the charge pad there's a battery. There's 4 bars, and it tells me how much battery I have. 1 out of 4 bars. And right now it's showing me that I have 4 bars. It doesn't show me that if these are off. And these are off, but it's still showing me that. So that's the first thing. Second thing is that usually there's like a lightning bolt next to it to classify as, hey, there's power connected to it or something like that. And there is none of that here for whatever reason. So I'm going to try to charge it. That does absolutely nothing. Great. Hold on. That is going down to my Xbox, which it should be. This is going to my computer, which is unplugged. Nope. Okay. This should be on the PC setting. What's the Xbox setting? Xbox PC. Okay. Okay. Hold on, let me... I don't know. I think I remember how to reset these. I think I do. It's not resetting. Okay, I'm gonna have to look up how to reset these then. I forgot what brand my headphones were for a second. Don't judge me. Yeah, that's what I did. And game side of game slash voice paddle on right ear cup. Right ear cup. So, yeah. Game. Using micro USB cable from base station. Try connecting. That's not how you do that. I have subtitles on right now. Over here. Actually, does it have... It might have to be on the charging station to do it. But maybe does it have to be on? So I'm gonna turn them on and try it. Okay. Oh. What? Okay. I don't know what just happened. But basically, I'm gonna put this on the charging station. Right. And then I'm gonna try to do it. It ain't be working. It's weird. When I release them, it turns off. So when I go like that, and then I'll hold it down again for like about 10 seconds, and then I'll release it, and then it'll actually turn off. I don't know if you can see this, but you see that red light? That means that it's on. So when I release, it turns off, and then it turns right back on again. I don't know. I don't know if that's it hard resetting. There should be a lightning bolt that shines right there, but it's just kind of not right now. Oops. And then, I don't know. Try to disconnect this. Probably should have turned it off before I did that. Reconnect it. There. Okay, I now have the lightning bolt that I was just talking about. I didn't have that before. Now I turn them on. There we go. Now I can see the battery, and if I turn them off, I don't see it anymore. Okay, so now I turn them on, and I think it might be fixed now. Let's go and check. Fucking trying to do some shit here. There we go, and then there we go. Okay. Where's there? It's my mouse. Sounds. Playback. This is already here. Okay. Okay, it's working. Good. These headphones are so good. Oh, crap. These headphones are so good that I thought it was my TV. I'm not saying that it has that bad of a quality. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying that I couldn't even tell it was coming out of my headphones. It sounded like it was surround sound, like there was speakers around my room. So let me go into my settings. I'm going to my audio, and it's under this already. Okay, good. That's all I wanted. Jesus Christ. That took me forever, and now I can do it. There you go. I'm going to put this over here, because that's YouTube stuff. All the way over here. Okay. I'm gonna turn that down even more, because I do need to concentrate and stuff. Okay, so I need a nav bar, pretty much. A nav, or not a nav bar. What the fuck am I? It's like a compass. That's what it was. It was a fucking compass. I don't know where it is on here though. Popular uploads. Compass.
Hey, we're back, and today we're gonna do something that's a little bit more.
I'm just kind of curious right now. How long ago was that he made that? 5 months ago. Okay. Just wanted to see. I should really close some of the stuff. Yeah, that was all that stuff and everything there. Yeah, I don't need any of this. Thank you very much. Yeah. Yeah, trying to use materials. Yeah. Underscore and stuff like that. Okay, whatever.
Okay, cool. I thought it'd be fun to recreate the compass that you might see in Skyrim or PUBG, any open world games.
I need to turn that off for a second, man.
We've got another little care package here for you guys that you can find in the download link in the description. With just a marker and obviously some compass points. It's quite a high resolution, 5400 by.
Oh, I'm gonna download those real quick. Hold up. If I'm gonna download them real quick, I need to turn that off real quick. I don't want to show any personal information or anything. Assets download. It's loading. Oh, Jesus Christ. What's taking it so long? There we go. Download. Okay, it's over there. Alright. Shown folder. Where is it? There it is. Open that shit up. Extract. What is this? The compass? Okay, so would I put this under UI for user interface? Sure. Call this compass. That's not how you spell that. How do you spell it? Oh, stupid. Okay. It's 2 S's. Rename. There we go. Select. Cool. Okay. I am back. There we go. I can get rid of this now. So in Unreal, let me just package this back up. Oh, oops. I need to, oh, like snipping tool. And I don't need that anymore. App data. Unreal Engine. Here we go. I have a bunch of tabs. Believe it or not, I do use all these tabs. The only things that I don't use is stuff like these. Or Buildcraft or any of the files here. But all the executables I do use. And folders I do use. Actually, I don't even know what that is. Then I have junk folders like Kublish and files and I don't know. I just have I just have like for some reason every single time I load up the Unreal Engine, it always loads up Steam VR, which I want to learn how to make VR things. Look at that. You see, that's totally not accurate. Anyways, I have just like random folders on my desktop that are just junk folders that I put just shit in for no reason. Then I have Unreal assets, which I don't use. Skip restore. Did I not save things? What is happening? I heard something. Oh, that's playing, but there's no sound coming out of it. That's what's happening. There we go. Get rid of that. Here we go. Oops, sorry about that. Here we are, there's my moon and everything. Shouldn't it be nighttime now? Well, it starts off daytime, I mean, I'm just saying. Anyways. That should disappear. There we go. Cool. Alright. First things first, let's make this time cycle go down. Down, 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 down. Let's make it like, I want to make it something realistic. 0.05. It seems like way too small, but it's actually not. If I go into here, you can see, yeah, no, that is a little bit too whatever, but you know what I mean. Yeah. I don't know. Okay, that's too slow. 0.01. That's probably going to be a lot more better. 1. I want it to be going by in like seconds, so 0.5. I think I've tried this before, and I think this was a good one. Yeah, this is good. This is fine. So that's the time. Yeah. So I don't need to restore. That's fine. I need to import. So our assets, user interface, I need to make a new folder. Call this one compass. Inside I need to import. And I actually have we have a Zeus game here. This is the normal Zeus game. This is Nate's game. This is my personal game. We both have personal games and then the real game, mainly because if we all work on the same project on different computers and we're working on the same project, the same files, it keeps on overwriting each other's work every single time we save it. So it's really, really fidgety. So that's why we have our own, we've made like our own kind of project folders, and then we'll like migrate our folders or assets over. And that's where all this stuff is and all that bloopity bloop. Anyways, but in this Zeus game, we have a folder called assets where we put all of our assets in. So like time, night, and then we put moon in here. I put moon in here, and then this was my first moon that I have, which is literally just a circle. And then this one's the really high detailed one. So I need the user interface, compass, and then I need to import all of these. Import all of those. There we go. That is what he was talking about. And I would have put this up on my other display back there, but honestly, I want you guys to see what I'm doing as well. Well, I mean, you guys will see what I'm doing anyways when I do it, so. Why was Prop Hunt playing? I was watching Markiplier playing Prop Hunt. Sorry about that. I don't know why that was playing. Okay.
So fairly big image, but there's really not much to it. So let's just jump straight in. I guess to start, we're going to need a simple widget called compass.
Mm-hmm.
Compass hard. We'll open it up and we'll get to work. So here is our canvas. Now we don't want it to just like stretch outside the bounds of the screen, so we're going to use another canvas and just embed it in the
Got it. Okay. Using the face widget blueprint, which I've actually done this quite a many times. What was it called? Canvas. I've never used the canvas before, so. Okay. That won't work. There you go. I don't know. There we go. Size X was 1,000. Size Y was 60. Cool. Got it. Anchoring into middle, and let's move that up to here. Well, let's see. Hold on a second. Let's hit play. Let's start. Yeah, I could fit up there. Hold on, let me do something else real quick. Use interface, clock HUD. We're actually going to move these to be up even more, like all the way up to there. That way, when I press start, it's all the way up there. So now I can move this all the way up to here, and I'll understand what that is. You can just drag and drop them, really? I did not know you could drag and drop them like that. The more you know. I'm making a new folder. It's gonna be called images. That is with an uppercase. Do I want it to be uppercase? Usually I don't make them uppercase when I do images. Usually I don't make anything uppercase when it's named image or images. There we go. Move that. Actually, wait, what am I doing? Move that in there too. It's an image. I'm gonna do it like that. And then I can just drag and drop it, apparently. I didn't know. Oop, wrong one. Put it into there. I'm gonna close that because I don't need that anymore. So now what do I do with it? What is that? 361. Oh, mine's different. Which one is it though? Okay, so that's the nav. The compass itself. What does it say? 23. 23 by 120. You just said it. $23. 120. There we go. That's a little bit too big, my dude. I'm just saying right now, that's a little bit too big. Okay. I don't know why he dragged this one in there, but he didn't drag the other one in there. That was kind of weird. No, drag into there. There you go. Forgot. Click to bounds. Ah, that's cool. Yeah, yeah, I'll just show what he just showed. So our image, see how it's showing only within the boundaries. Hold on, real quick. I'm also just, because I know I'm gonna have to do this eventually. I'm just gonna do it right now. No, I'm not gonna do it there, but in here in the main menu, I usually do this all the time anyways, so. You know, I'm gonna make this a little bit more clean. There, and then alt click this. What are these? Okay. I just wanted to see what those were. Zoom. Zoom. And we're gonna wanna create widget. And we're gonna want to do the compass. And I want to add it to the viewport, just so then we can already see what it looks like. Okay, so if it play and hit start, oh, it didn't even add it. Why didn't it add it? No, I felt like it added it. It just, unless it's, no, that's, it is correct. Is it saved? Shouldn't be the reason. I don't know why that's not working. That's weird. Okay, whatever. Wait, why did he send to?
As for our marker, just place it center of the canvas. As for our marker, just place it somewhere central. Make sure our ink is in the center properly. And our marker
Ah.
center the marker. And we'll put it right up in the center of the screen.
Okay. I don't know what the center is. That looks like the center. I don't know, I'm just eyeballing it. Does that look like the center? Hold on, I can make it look like the center. So I'm using the distance between these two. That's about the same, right? So it should be on like north. A little bit over to the left. There we go. There we go. That is in the center. Cool. Also gonna grab this stuff here. I'm gonna move it down so then I can see what I'm doing here. There we go.
Just like that. And that's pretty much it. And yeah, we'll rename these things just so that we know what we're doing. So these are our points. And this is our marker.
Yep. There we go.
Alright, then we can move on. So, first thing we're going to do is just file and save. Find our third person marker.
Went down the wrong hole. What the fuck? There was so much code there. What the hell? Why would... Jesus Christ, dude. Oh, I'm pretty sure that's not what our code, but goddamn, that's a lot of code. I don't know what that was. Okay. Why are we?
And we just want to put the compass on the screen. And now
Yeah, I don't put it like that. I don't do it like that. I always do it in the third person example map. Okay, for some reason it doesn't work when I do that. Why doesn't it? Okay, because it's in the main menu. Save that. It's supposed to create compass widget. This is the compass widget. Save that as well. Oh, that would be why. It had nothing to add to the viewport. There we go, now it should work. There we go. Now, of course, it's not going to move because all it is it's just a widget. But it actually looks pretty good, I think. Should we move that up? Or is that good right there? I can't tell. I honestly can't tell. Maybe we should move that up a bit. It doesn't... It looks like it'll go over, but I don't think so. Now that is touching. I don't like how that looks when it touches like that. So I guess it was telling the truth. Gotta do that. Alright, so that I'll have to do then. Which is fine, you know. That's totally fine. Okay, let's try this again. Good.
Next thing is to make it, actually work like a compass. So back in our compass hub, we'll head to the graph and we'll start getting to work here. First, we'll need a new function. This one will be called set direction, and we're going to need to pull in our.
Usually, I would create all the functions first,
In the planner.
and then I would do that. But
Save that actually. We'll go back to the event bar. We'll come off the event construct. So we've got to establish what it is that's exactly going to be manipulating the compass direction. And for that, we're going to use the camera in the third person camera mode. So try that character, with our rotation.
okay. Got it. Let's do save. Let's do save. You know what? Let's just do file save all. There we go. Okay. What was the function called? Set direction. There we go. Now we're not going to do anything with this, but we're just going to have it there for whatever reason. And we need to get the camera from the third person camera. So we're going to say cast to third person character. There we go. And then we need to get the third person, or get player character. Put that return value into object. Right? Yep. Okay. I already know how to do that. Well, what is it going to be called? Rotation? Okay. You said it was going to be a camera, so we're going to do camera. Which type of camera? Camera actor? Probably camera actor, right? Yeah, it was camera actor. Okay. Ah. Okay, I need to change that. Camera component. Object reference. I was close. Okay, leave me alone. I was close. We're gonna set. And then what? Follow camera. Yeah. Get follow camera. We're gonna put that into the rotation. We're gonna set that up there. Set timer by function name. There we go. Set direction. Seeing if that was correct or not. I don't know what the asset's gonna be. Yeah, it does. Got it. I would have used delta seconds though, but if you want to use that kind of seconds, that's fine. Okay. I was just gonna see if you wanted to do something else with that, but points, boop, boop. I already forgot what I needed to do here. Slot as camera slot. Slot as canvas slot. Which is what we were actually using there. As you can see, it is a canvas panel. Set position. I couldn't read that for you. In viewport? No. How did he get set position then? I'll show you what happened, why I didn't see that. So he split these and then he went like this. Now see how the blue gets grayed out? See how blue is right here and then it just kind of gets grayed out? On my TV, that was literally fucking invisible. So I didn't think I had to drag off of that node. And that's why it was the wrong kind of setup position. Boring math, yeah, pretty much. Okay, well, if we're gonna do math, I automatically know that I'm gonna need more space. That's always happened. There. That should be quite a bit of space. Okay. Okay, this is when I would actually turn on some music. I'm gonna do that. Okay. Alright. If you say so. Times that by -1 to make it a negative value. Times that by 10 for whatever reason. Oh, I think that's 10. I don't know why we're timesing it by 10, but we are. Then we need to subtract by 2700.
Yeah, if this is at all confusing, just see how this looks when you don't do this, guys. Trust me, you get some weird results.
There. So I put a good amount of space in there.
And that should be all there is to it. And we can test this out.
Oh yeah, I was right. I hit compile and save for a reason.
You can see the compass is sort of dropping down.
Oh crap, mine is not working. What did I do? Hold on. First of all, okay. So something's wrong. I did something wrong. Pretty good music. Okay. Was it because the looping was supposed to be on? No, that's a Boolean now. That shouldn't be it. It's because of this. It's probably because of that. I'm not gonna lie, it's probably because of that. No? That's not why.
See the compass is sort of dropping down where it is to it. Just see how this looks when you.
Set direction. I know this song. I used this song in one of my videos. Okay. Follow camera. What kind of follow camera? Okay. Why not? Components. See, he doesn't have components. I don't know. It wasn't even called rotate, it was rotation. shouldn't matter if it's in there. His isn't even in a components thing. It's literally just right under here. Like, it's like right under here. Points in the target in the set position. Well, in the set position. Set position is get world location -1, 10. Well, I don't know if that's correct or not, but I'm sure it's something very easy.
And the time function 0.01, so it's updating very, very quickly. Now, let's get back to our function.
That's not supposed to be there. Oh. Well, I got rid of that part. Wait, what? So that's what it was like before, and then without this. I honestly don't know what it's doing there. But okay. Set direction. Time 0.01. That's all fine and dandy there. Slot as canvas slot.
And set its position. Set the canvas slot position. We can split this 2D vector so that we get the actual X and Y.
Why am I using the return value Z and then setting it in position X? Shouldn't it be doing it in X?
And then we need to do some boring maths. So grab our rotator, because we don't need the interval.
Get world rotation. Scene component. Yeah, that's fine.
Boring maths, we need to multiply it by 10, and then we want to subtract half the width of our compass points. In this case, it's 2700. If this is at all confusing, just see how this looks when you don't do this maths. Trust me, you get some weird results. And that should be all there is to it. And we can test this out. The pink plate. Oh yeah, and see the compass is sort of dropping down.
So, in his, it's actually moving. I'm gonna go in here and press play. I don't think that's gonna make a difference. No. See, it's dropping down like his, which is good. That means I'm doing something. But it's not actually rotating it, which is weird. This was all fine. This is all okay. And here was all fine and all okay. Canvas panel slot and everything. See, this is what I've been having to deal with all day. Fixing mistakes and everything. It must have something to deal with in here then. It must. I must have missed something in here. Because he goes on and does a bunch of things. Come on.
And then what we need is to import our images. So just grab
Oh.
our image canvas. So just click and drag onto our embedded canvas here. Bounds within the bounds of the. And as you can see, the canvas as it's standing. Okay, just place it.
And with that wouldn't be a problem, would it? That shouldn't be a problem. That it was like it was like on the far left. Yeah, I didn't think so. The anchors shouldn't matter, by the way.
And that's pretty much it. And yeah, we'll rename these things just so that we know what we're doing. So these are our points, and this is our Alright, then we can move on. So the first thing we're going to do is just file and save, find our third person character, and open that up. Where are we? Yeah, so we need a begin plate. And select, and that, well, we can see it there appearing on the screen, just as we intended it to.
Yeah, that should be. So if I was to go in here and just do that real quick, right? After he did that whole setup there, this is what he sees. So that's the compass right there for him right now. But I want to get to the part where it actually moves, where the world rotation is and concerning you. In relation to you. Okay, hold on. Let me see if there's anything that's not casting properly or something. Then construct. It's not even. Well, it's not even doing that though. Event graph, event construct. This node is disabled and will not be called drag off pins to build functionality. Okay. So it is the event construct. I was just making sure that. Third person character. Get player character, return value to object. That is good. Variable as rotation as camera. Well, he did camera actor, but then it didn't work. So he did camera. Wait, no, it's under components now. Okay, that's good. Anyway, so as third person character, and then target follow camera goes into rotation set. Good. Those two are public variables. Rotation is not public. Set timer by function name.
And this
Good.
is type in our set direction.
Set direction.
Make sure that you get this absolutely right. The spelling needs to be spot on.
I might as well check. S-E-T D-I-O D-I-O E-C-T E-C-T-I-O-N I-O-N. Yeah, that would be it. Timer. Oh, time 0.01.
So it's updating
Wait.
very, very quickly. Now, let's head back to our function.
Are you fucking kidding me? It was because of that. I didn't. That was the first thing I looked at, and I didn't think it was that because of I didn't think it was that mainly because it was a boolean. I'm trying to think. Why would that? Why is that a boolean? True to keep executing. Really? It's true to go looping. That's why it's a boolean. It's true. It sets it to true to loop. Okay, whatever. Alright, I'm out. Whatever. It's okay. I'm fine. I'm fine. It was because when he did set position, or not set position, sorry. When he did set timer by function name, it was already default set to looping as true. So he didn't have to change that. It was already set. That was fucked up. That was fucked up. Alright, well it's working now, so that's all that matters.
So over here on the event bar, we're just casting to our third person character to grab the camera and set this as our rotation point, and then setting a timer by function name. And that timer is just simply setting setting the direction, just the simple X value of the.
No, I get it. Okay, I had to go through it like 10 times. Oh, he fixed it, apparently. Wait, what did he do? He didn't even change anything. What? How did he fix it? Yeah. Minus 30. There we go. I don't know what that does, by the way. Minus 30. So apparently that's north. Okay. Yeah, so now he's probably gonna work in the marker. Hold on, let me get my phone out real quick. I need to tell my team that I'm working on a compass. Wait, is he watching my stream right now? Is he? Hold on. Oops. Yeah, he is. He said hello. I didn't even see the chat. Wait, Singer, you... What? No, now I feel pressure. Now they're all watching the stream. Okay. Hold on. Now I need to open up the stream on here because the only way I can see the chat is if I look onto there. Which is not good. I don't want that. Zeus uploads live. Oh god. Why is the thumbnail upside down? I'm updating my Unreal version. Yeah, sure, go ahead. If you want, I can actually add all this already to yours. Here, I'm trying to move it. Here, I can do that real quick. Here, our assets. Migrate. Yeah, save all that. That's on mannequin. All assets. Here we go. Okay. Put this into... Nate, which one? I'm a little bit confused. I don't know which one to update it to. Alright. Okay, well, while he tells me that, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it into Cameron's content folder. Oh no, that might take a long time. Oh shit, that's gonna... What? Third person BP blueprint. Hold on, hit cancel on that real quick. I need to put this shit in it. That way he's able to open up the map with everything in it. Hold on, let me actually... So basically, the high detailed moon right here, this high detailed moon, hold on, let me... Yeah. This high detailed moon that has actual bumps on it, they're small bumps. They're very small bumps, but you know, anyways. This high ass detailed moon took about 10 minutes to input into my shit. So Nate, I'm not gonna be able to update it into yours just yet. Without, what you could do is you could go on to this and then do it on your computer, because right now I'm not gonna do it on mine because I'm streaming. But basically the moon takes forever. The moon takes absolutely forever. The real Zeus game is it. I just deleted the other folders that weren't needed. Okay. Well, you heard me. So, yeah. Just, you can go ahead and do that. Because I'm not going to be able to. There we go. But yeah, so the moon literally took, I'm not even kidding when I say this, it literally took me 10 minutes to import it into my game from Blender, which I don't have Blender open anymore, but because I had to restart my computer. Hello. Hello, Senge. Anyways, thank you for 2 things. Thank you for using the account that says Zeus Heroic, and thank you for spelling Zeus correctly. Oh, there's one thing that you got wrong, Senge. Zeus Heroic, there's no space in between there. I always find a way. I always find a way. Okay. Anyways. So yeah, if I would have to import everything, and I mean like all of the shit, so the landscape itself, Uh. Also, Nate, since you're watching this, I might as well tell you right now that the character is able to walk on the grass. And he doesn't get stuck. Oh, what? There's like a trail behind my character. What is that? Oh, dude, that's actually kind of cool. Hold on. Yeah, you changed that shit. Okay. Anyways, so when like maybe on school or something, or when you actually update, like whenever you update your content folder or whatever, don't get rid of the starting platform. Do not get rid of the starting platform, because that's what makes my character actually work. And I already got rid of the starting platform, which was this, and it still worked, but still, I don't care, okay? Because our navigation, like our other thing, like our AI would just not work whatsoever. It was dumb. Okay, so don't get rid of the starting platform. You can get rid of this shit. I don't care about that. But like, yeah, fuck you. Okay, let's do this. All right. I don't know where I left off, but also, by the way, let me just show you this real quick. I don't understand any of what I'm about to show you. Oh, go to the fog. I don't understand any of this. I did this, but I don't understand any of it. What happened to my fog parameters? My fog parameters are gone. Hold on. What the hell happened to my fog parameters? Hold on. I think I remember how to do this, by the way. Forgot what it's called. So it's just fog parameters. So I don't know how to insert parameters. Fog, yeah. The dog's rolling in. I don't get it. Parameters. Scalar parameter. Is that what it was? No. I forgot what it was. But anyways, I had to add my fog parameters in. That way I can make fog. And that is what, if I go to night and I go to moon, I don't think it was in the moon. Was it in the moon? Moon BP? It might have been, yeah. So the transition where, like if I go into here, how the moon is like that, and whenever it becomes nighttime, it then shines and glows. I actually had fog that would actually come up as a transition between nighttime, which I didn't actually like. It was kind of bad as fog. I don't really like fog in the Unreal Engine. The fog kind of sucks. I'm gonna apply that and save that. I don't know why I still keep the fog. It's just kind of still there. You can actually see the fog was actually the post-process. But okay, anyways, enough with the moon, because the moon fucking sucks. I mean, the moon's awesome, but it sucks. Okay. Anyways, let's get back to what we were doing. Yeah. But yeah, I've been doing this like all day, dude. I meant to type fog rolling in, and it autocorrected to dog. Oh. casting.
third person character and make a new variable. This one, I'll just call it vector. So it needs to be a vector.
Oh yeah, I also really wanted to show you this, Nate. Pause. There. So if you have something, yeah, let's go to the third person character because it's a lot more easier if I do it. Just do it this way. Okay. So let's say I made a variable called attack. Right. And let's say this was a float. I don't know. I don't know why it would be float, but let's just say it would be float. And if I go into my compass for whatever reason, or I think it can also be in here, and I did cast to first. I'm not even typing it. I'm not even looking at what I'm typing. There we go. Oops. Third person character, and then I do get player character, and then as third person character I can say get attack. Boom. That's how you transfer over variables. Yeah, I don't know. Day length. I don't know. That's how you can cast over fucking variables. Last year, I didn't know that. They made it like, oh, just cast to it. I'm like, how the fuck do I do that? No one told me. Pissing me off. Alright. Now that I got that out of my system, that's pissing me off as well. You know, save that shit. Alright. Third person character. Nav point. Public. Got it. Oh, it's a vector. I don't really work with vectors. Okay. So, that's what I brought this up because that's what I'm actually going to do next. So, nav point. This vector. I'm probably going to have to cast it into my compass here. Got it. All assets, user interface, compass. That's the compass there. Objective. That is a folder. I didn't do that. Alright. Wait, did I? Actually, yeah, because I just deleted that just now. Objective. I didn't move my example map though. That's weird. Okay. Should I change this to point? David Harrington is easy. Hello, David. David, you should probably just leave because you're not going to understand any of this. Because since you're not on our program, you don't really do much of coding. I don't even know what the fuck that is. I can't read that. I can't read that. Oh, she's about to knock some shit over trying to read this. Matt Pre. Okay. Get out of my way. Jesus. My floor is not meant to be rolled on. Okay.
There are two. There's a map preview in the starter content, and there's one in the
Okay. Alright. I did last year. Yeah, but I'm talking about Unreal coding. That's different than regular coding. I mean, there's a C++ option, but I don't actually know C++. Not yet, anyways. Next year, I'm gonna learn it though. I'm talking about blueprint coding. It's totally different. When I was in CST, yeah, well, they don't use Unreal. So, okay, see, new CSS plus. See, I don't know what the fuck this is. I don't do that shit. All right, static mesh. Static mesh. And then just call it static mesh. And then over here, what was it called? Oh god, I think it was Matpui. Well, I only have the one. I don't have the second one, so I don't know what he's fucking fighting over here. But
Yeah, just like a little bit more. And we can even make a material from it. Just very, very quickly. Execute material. Object map.
oh god damn it, I hate materials. Why does he have to? It's like I can't see without my glasses. Hey, I don't even know what my glasses. Oh look, I just looked down and it's like I don't know what my glasses are because I can't see. Want to play? It depends on which game. It depends on which game. Okay. Material. Objective. MAT. Gary's mod Unturned Friday the 13th. I don't have Friday the 13th. I don't really like Unturned anymore. Unless it's like modded, like solo. Gary's mod I could do. Depends on what on Gary's mod. I feel like Nate, I feel like we should try to troll some servers like Kevin does. I feel like that would be fun. We just have to not be afraid to get banned. Okay. Vector 3 OGB 110. Got it. Vector 3 constant 3 vector OGB 1 and 1 to make yellow, red and green plus it's yellow. Wait, that's not base. Oh, it is base color. Okay. I just kind of guessed.
And then we'll just drop it.
Really? You're just gonna make it yellow? It's a little weird. I'm bored. Rust. Look. What? I do want Rust. I don't have Rust, but Rust seems like an awesome game. Although I wouldn't really play it on multiplayer. I would want to play it on single player. I'm one of those guys. I don't really play much of multiplayer games. Not in those types of games though. Hell no. Sounds like fun troll. Hell yeah, dude. I'd totally fucking stream that shit. Okay. Objective MAT, there it is. That actually looks pretty damn cool. I'm not gonna lie. Actually, you know what I could do is I could add some metallic to this and then make it look even more cool by adding, well actually I can do a shortcut key and do that. Have that be a value of 1 and put this into rough. Oh no, not roughness. Get rid of this. Put that into metallic. There we go. And then have another one here. People are chatting, but I can't see. I'll buy it for you. How would I talk to you later? I don't really have much to talk to you on. Which platform? I mean, 1. Roughness. Do I want 1? No, 1 looks a little bit bad. 0.2. That looks like a tennis ball. Really, Nate? There we go. Now it looks like steel. That's the material that I used for my shield that I made. I'll buy Rust for you. I don't really believe you. I'm sorry. But look at that. There's the metallic. Should I keep the metallic? I actually like the metallic color. So rather that or that. I like the, you know, he's gonna make me get rid of this later. I automatically know he's gonna make me get rid of it later, but that's as simple as I will ever get with materials. Okay, with understanding them. Messenger Discord shit. Okay. Sorry, I couldn't make it into one word. It requires a last name. Oh. So, Sungay, if you, in your first name, it'll say first name, last name. In the first name, just say Zeus Heroic. In the last name, just put a period. It doesn't show up. And it works, so. Yes. That is a tennis ball, Nate. God damn it. It's not a tennis ball. Nate knows what's up. Yeah, I'm gonna get yelled at from my parents. It's 11 o'clock. Okay.
And over in the event graph, we need to set the location of this actor as our.
Wait. Is this the color? Oh, is this going to be the color of my? Is this going to be the color of the objective? Why am I going to have a metallic colored objective? You should try to play Rust with Sir Winter. I don't know who the hell that is. Oh, okay. It is is awesome guy. Thanks for the tip. Be right back. Well, the thing wait. Sengay, I don't think it's going to let you change your name because it's 11:14. It's 11. I said 11 o'clock because it's pretty much still 11 o'clock, okay? Okay. Anyway, Singit, I don't think it's going to let you because either you just change your name to the same name and it's going to say, hey, you have to wait for like a month to change your name again. Or they're in their room and they can hear you and they're just like, that's her boy. That is exactly not what they're like at all. Okay. Save. So, of course, my objective is gonna be metallic yellow because no other game has done that before, and I want to be the first. So Winter is the best Rush streamer in my opinion. Okay. What the? Did you guys just see that shit? I tried to pause the fucking video and it didn't pause, so I looked back, what's happening, and then fucking backup and sync preferences came up. Stupid. 0.5, 0.0.5. Got it. No, I want it to be like that. That's not... There. Okay, now we're getting into some coding. Finally. Okay, I know how to do that. Ow. I think I already know what's about to happen, so I might as well just go ahead and do it. Then begin play. Got it. No, we will be the food. Yeah. Cash to food. Bleh. Food. See, I haven't practiced not looking at the keyboard and typing. I just kind of already know what all the keys are because I have to do virtual piano and online launchpad. Get player character. Here we go. And I'm pretty sure we're gonna do, what even was it that we created? It was nav point. I'm sure we're gonna get nav point or set nav point or something. Okay. Ah, no, it was a set, not a get. No, oh, oops.
Target, and the nav point in this case is going to be the actor location. That's this actor, the objective. And that's all there is to that. So,
Alright. Guess what? Global warming is a myth. Okay. He said that that was it, so... I don't know what that changed, so I'm just gonna... I don't know what that changed. Ah, I see. No way. Is it gonna point towards it? I swear. Okay. Look at that metallic. No, it's not pointing towards it at all. Watch it point to his on there. There we go. Oh, look, it worked. That's what I hoped for, because that means I would have done something wrong. Okay. Alright. Follow. Okay. Kind of. I'm sick of casting to the third person character, okay? Check nav point. Cast to third person character. Get player character. Might as well skip this. I already know what's gonna happen. There we go. Oh, now we're gonna get it. Okay. It was that point, right? Oh yeah, it was that point. Ah. Okay, so I might as well explain this because he just explained it, so might as well. So basically, in the third person character, we made the nav point, which then we can actually we could grab that that variable, put it into compass, and in the set direction, or not in the set direction, where is it? It's in the event. I don't know where it is. Hold on. Oh, in the objective. There it is. We cast it to the third person to get the variable, and then we set nav point to itself. So we set this to be nav point. So wherever we go, it'll be following this. But now we actually have to make it follow the nav point. So for it to do that, we have to actually check for the nav point and then follow the nav point. Kind of like the AI system that we were working on. Which is terrible, by the way. Won't work for shit. This is working just fine. And then it just shat itself. Wait, that's it? That can't be it. Okay, I was gonna say. Okay, rotation. Get, what was it? Get world location. Nate, you still in? You know, you could just, you know, go on the Zeus chat. I'm just saying. I don't know what we're doing here. Get right vector. I've never heard of that node before. What the hell is get right vector? Get forward vector? What the hell are these? It's probably gonna get like get left, get right, get forward. That I would get, but there we go. Chess app works well with app. I have been using this for my internet and internet connection and internet. Good for you. I don't know. I didn't understand the shit that you said.
certain things about the kind of thing. Just an interval where it's looking. And we need to reset this to the target for the start. The value of this is around there.
Ah, so it's gonna get the world location and it's gonna find the nav point. That's what that's saying. Okay. GitHub. Really, Singe? God damn it.
And from here we get a rotation for the next vector. And we need the dot product.
Normalize, right?
Normalize 2D.
What?
We need to normalize it as a 2D vector. Just like that, yeah. And when we drag it in, it'll convert on its own.
Ah, I see.
And we'll need more of these. We have to convert these two values also to 2D vectors.
That was automatic words. You can choose. Yeah, no. I thought that.
And then we need the dot product. Dot product 2D. We need two of these. And we want the result of this normalized 2D as the second.
Okay. I didn't move any of that. Someone else is on Unreal right now. I did not get the one that was going down there. This was a mistake.
I know it's a little bit complicated, but I'll go through this. I'll go through this as I go.
Okay.
We'll have to divide.
By the way, I can't turn his voice up. It won't let me, so.
Out these two values. That is the right vector and the forward vector, or the dot product of those two values from the world location and where the boundary points. Divide them from each other, and then we need to multiply the value, because if we don't, then the nav point isn't going to move very far in the compass. It's going to be sort of moving only a couple of pixels to the left and right. So you want to crank up these values. I use 700, but your mileage might vary.
Alright. Ooh, that's. Yeah, let's divide. I'm stupid. No, I'm trying to move it. There we go. Multiply it.
And from here, we'll just go from this multiply mode, drag it to the return value, and we can rename this. This would be
Cool.
Then back in the event graph, we'll need to find our event tick. This is one of those things that has to be updated sort of in real time. We'll grab our check nav point function, plug that in, make some space.
You know when you just want to kill your life when the guy says, hold up, let me just clear some space. Because you know there's going to be some fucking shit going on there. Make it more cleaner. You know what? I'm going to do something real quick. Just so that I can, just for later use. Oh, that's my music. I'm like, what the hell? Tristan's facial expressions and emojis. Oh, I have to see this. Hold on. Because I can't see the emojis from there. That. In this stream. That. Yep. Well, I'm heading off. Good night, everyone. Good night, Senge. Okay. Okay. So, I just thought of something really smart that I could do. I'm going to pull up an event tick if I don't already have it. There we go. Delta seconds. I'm going to make a new variable. I'm going to call this delta seconds. And this is going to be a float. And I am going to set this as that. Wait, why do I need it as an event tick? I don't need it as an event tick. All I need is an event begin play. Event begin play. Event begin play, and that's what it is. There we go. And let's just say delta print string. This is going to say delta seconds active. Save. That's it. Play. There you go. Delta seconds active. That way, if I ever need to have an event tick, all I need to do is say this. Cast to third person character. Because what if I already have an event tick? You know, then I can't really use it. So I would have to get, you know, I would have to connect them up to each other, which I don't want to do. So what I could do is this. I could say get delta seconds. And I can just run that off of whatever. That way, it'll act just like an event tick. You're my favorite YouTube. No. No. Nate. Nate, no. No. Nate, please stop. Please stop. Oh my god. Puzzle Fiend 57. That's not okay, Nate. Don't ever do that to me. Save. Save. Is this it? Yeah, this is it.
Oh, I've done it again. So, might just copy these three nodes.
What nodes? God, it did it again! You see that? Did you see that shit? Did you see that shit? I'm freaking out. Freaking out, man. Now, he's your biggest fan. Did you, Nate, please tell me you just saw that shit. Fucking, I pressed spacebar to pause it to go and do it on here, and then all of a sudden, a fucking backup in sync comes up with preferences. It's not okay. This is a shit fest. Yeah, these three. Wait, why are those three? Hold on. No, okay. Um. No. Okay. Yes, I saw it. My feeling. Okay, how are you switching between accounts that quick? Are you just using two different devices? One on Zeus Manus account and then the other just Puzzle Fiend? Don't ever do that to me again. My feelings!
What we need now is to head back to the objective file. Make sure to add our objectives.
I'm confused. What the hell?
And add our objective. So drag in your objective file.
I don't fucking know. All he did was this, and then he just left it like that. He just left it like that. Images, put this, and where is it? Compass, there it is. Put it in there. I don't know where to put it in here, though. 23 by 120. Yes, he is. What? He's just mine. No, I'm not. Stop it, Nate. Stop talking to yourself. So you put it under there. You do that. Okay. That sounds good to me. Alright. Well, first of all, he didn't rename it. So I'm going to rename it. Actually, I don't know what to rename it to. So, objective, right? So, yeah. It's not letting me. Okay, fine. I'll just do it up here then. Objective. No, I'm not. No, it's fun. Yeah, that's what they all say. No. Middle. There we go.
So with that established, we can drag it in, plug it into the slot as canvas slot node, and then we're about set. So when we connect up the set position node and hook up the XPOS into our in-X position.
Ooh, it seems like we're about to almost be finished with this. I'm pretty excited. Ooh, man, he's fucking like guessing all the numbers today. Okay. I think it's gonna work now. I hope. Oh, oh, what is wrong? So it is working though. Is that it's working though. My update is done, yay. It's working, but that's not how it's supposed to be. Okay, hold on. You loser. Hey, I will ban you from my channel, Puzzle Fiend. Don't push me. I'll do it. Alright. Top. No, put it like right here. There. Compile and save. That should fix the issue. Look at that. Look at that. That is awesome. That is amazing. That is complete. Nah, you're just crying. No reason. Alright. What did... Oh, so it's saying it's setting to here, but it's also setting it to 180 degrees that way. Oh, that's a big problem. I think that's for him too, though, so. I'm sorry, I'll be a good boy. Okay. Let's see if he... I mean, there's still, like, 6 more minutes left in the video, so obviously he probably finds the issue. Or he just adds on to the issue.
in a pretty accurate way. I mean, you can tweak these values to get a slightly more accurate sort of representation, but it's working quite well. Although there are problems. Most notably is that if you're facing behind it, see, with the camera is now in line with the objective showing up on the compass. Now we don't really want that.
Yeah,
But
no.
we can fix that. We can make it so that it's
Yay!
absolutely perfect. And
Fixing bugs.
you'll need another function.
I can't read that because my fucking glass in the way. Yeah, you better post a... Stop.
And to check it behind, we'll need 2 vectors
Oh my god, dude.
for the object, and another one for the camera.
Oh,
Both need to be vectors.
okay. Can I just, like, skip all this and then just add in everything? I hate having to go and, like, pause the video and shit. I'm gonna move my cup over here. Seems more logical that way. Check if behind. I never use if, but man, fuck it. Whatever. Okay. 2 inputs. What was the first one? Object and camera. Object. And the one was camera. Float. Float.
So these are going in the
Wait. It's not a float, it's a vector. God damn it. I'm just gonna fucking skip. Normalize, normalize, dot. What the fuck is happening? He's using things I've never seen before. Maybe I shouldn't have skipped. Okay, whatever. Normalize. He used the dot feature. There's multiple dots. Oh, no, there's not. I lied. Dot. And then he used... What the fuck is this? ACOSD. Whatever the fuck this is. I don't know what the fuck it is, but... If is greater than? Less than. Ah. Okay. 140. Return node. Got it. Less than? No. I don't want that. I want less than, not less than or equals to. Actually, that could probably work too, but that's not what I'm looking for. Less than. What was it, 140? Yeah, it was 140. Yeah. Return. I have some hot fries, Nate. Is the Unreal Engine update to 4.19? If so, I'm not on it, and there's no update button. I'm on 4.18.3, and apparently I have to be on 4. Yes, you do have to be on 4.19. What you do, Nate, is I'll actually show you on here, since... If you go to your library, you can literally just click the add button to here, and apparently they've come out with 4.20, which I'm not gonna get, but in there, oh wait, no, you might not be able to get 4.19.2. You know, I might update it to, or I might downgrade it to 4.17. I don't know. Try to update to 4.20.3 and then try to open it, and you might be able to. I don't know. Because I am on 4.19? Yeah, it was 4.19. What did he just do? Huh. Okay. The Boolean? Okay. So that's to check if it's behind. Now we actually have to say, hey, if it's behind, which is, oh, that would be visibility. No wonder why it's a Boolean. But now saying that, hey, if it is behind, it will get rid of it or something, whatever. Okay. Okay, the event graph needs to be over there because it's kind of fucking me up if it's not. What the I zoomed in and it zoomed out. I'm like, what's wrong with my mouse? Okay. Visibility. Ah, that's cool how that's an out. Oh yeah, that is an output and these are inputs. Ah. Oh, he's doing shit. I should probably listen. I don't even know what those do. Ow. Over here apparently I need to have this, and what the hell is going on up here? What did I do? I can't click on anything. What? What did I do? There, just close that up. When was the last time I saved it? Just gonna point that out. Compile. Save. I don't know. There we go. And rotator X, I think it was. Okay, I'm updating to 4.20.3. Yeah. Because if you just update then, I think it should... you might be able to open it because it's an earlier version. Okay, I'm going to name these... Forward... Vector. I'm going to name this one... Rotation X vector and world location. Okay. X rotation. Oh. Oh. He just did it like that. Okay. I wish Python was a lot more funner to program like this is. Because this isn't required. I'm just doing this because I want to. Checking nav point. Yeah. Okay. File save. I don't know what that is. Camera, an object. Ah, that was his first mistake. He typed in branch. Nah, you can just do this. Like that. Is that a true? Yeah, that's not true. Yeah, that condition.
And then if true, if it is outside of the bounds of the 140 value, then it won't show up. But if it's not, then it does. So we duplicate the set position node.
Okay. I'll make this a little bit more neat. File save. What's happening? There's no target. Oh no, there's no target. I don't know what the target is, so might as well just listen. Ah, okay. There you go.
Of the nav point elegant solution. I'm just changing the y value of the nav point if it doesn't if it's not inside the visible.
There's 2 more minutes left in the video, so.
So to set this to any kind of value that's just outside the x value of the canvas, then we're about done. So let's do a little.
Really? Well, I'm just gonna set it to what he set it as. He set this as 200 for whatever reason.
So we're checking for our navigation point. We're doing some very boring maths, finding the dot products from different values and comparing them to one another. It's not too complicated, but you might need to take values in your own case. We're passing data between the third person character and the HUD. And we're checking if the nav point is behind the character.
Yeah, no, I understand that, but what the hell? You said we need to do something before, now you're just explaining shit. So is it done, or? Oh, now it's doing that shit again. God damn it. Okay.
So this should all work fine. Let's test it out. Alright, so there's our nav point as we face the object, and when we're behind it, nothing. So when we're facing behind it, there's nothing. This means that the player in game is going to be walking directly away from something when they don't.
Good. But at the same time, what the fuck? Because I'm pretty sure it just did that to me. So there, it's right there, and then if I turn it, oh, it's right there. Okay, that's fucking trippy. So what exactly are you trying to do? So basically, this is all working. See the yellow dot right there? Well, first of all, that's supposed to be in my fucking nav. But it's not, but whatever. In the compass. I can fix that pretty easily, but that's not my problem. The problem is that this is working fine, but if I look in 180 degrees, it's also there. So it's also going to be set to there. Which is weird, and this is like really finicky. For some, like it works it works fine right there. I don't understand. Apparently in his video it worked perfectly fine. So I did something wrong. Apparently. I don't know what I did wrong though. I don't want to go through all of it again. Negative 65, and you just set that to 200. Okay, hold on. We're in the objective right now. I want to be in compass. There it is. Is it like an objective mode? Yeah. So basically, this right here is the objective blueprint. So basically, we set this, basically all that code right there, all this code right here, is just saying that it's setting this whole object as a variable of the, it's just setting it as a variable, and the variable name that it's setting it as is called nav point. Then we got that nav point in set direction. Oh, no, not in set direction. It was, I just closed it. God damn it. Check nav point. Then we got the nav point, and we did some fucked up shit here, which I don't know what it was. But basically, we got the whole location of it and put it into camera and objective as an output. And that output is here, which then we put as an input and check if behind. And in check it if behind, this is the input. It then does some fucked up shit here, and then it goes into visibility. Basically, what visibility means is all this is saying right here is it's saying that if the marker is 180 degrees behind me, like it is right now, then it will set that variable named visibility as true. So if I go back here, visibility and condition, if it's true, it won't work. But if it's false, it will work. Theoretically, it should be working. That's what I'm trying to get at. But it's not. For whatever reason, it's not working. Because he just did it just now and it worked. Because I can actually move, hold on, let me move this. Oh, this should be in the canvas, by the way. I don't know why it wasn't in there before. That was probably why it was fucking up all the time. Well, it's gone now. I don't know where the fuck it went. I don't know where it is now. Let's just get that out of there then. The pivot point, I don't know. This is dumb. So now it's up there. So let me just fix this then. He said that I could put in any variable and that it would still work, and then I put in any variable and then it didn't work. So negative 65. Put that back in there. Hit play. Is it like an objective marker? Yeah, pretty much. It follows whatever. So see, now it's up there. So it's right there. So it's gonna follow this. And this can be anything, by the way. It can be a pickup item or whatever. And it'll be able to follow it. You know, and it works totally well. But what's wrong is that it also shows up behind me as well. And he just showed me how to get rid of that. And I did everything that he just did. But it didn't work. I don't understand. Yeah. I think I might take a break from this anyways, though. But, Nate, I also really want to show you this. This is fucking awesome. Because there's so many things that we can do with this tutorial. Here, I'll show you what I'm looking at. This is the tutorial that I've been following here. But this is fucking amazing. If I go into videos, he shows so much shit. Thermal vision, crisis armor, battle royale circle, the day and night cycle, which is how I got my day and night, randomized wind, hex material, carbon fiber material, advanced foliage, fire. Something I was really looking forward though to is night vision camera. That would be awesome. Cloth simulator, car paint, that looks cool. Although I already know how to do that. I kind of already did that with this. That's pretty much a color paint material. Kind of. I'll just have to tweak the roughness a bit. And it'll look like color paint. Ooh, heat haze. That's cool. Projector light. And then I got to, yeah. And then I got to all of this stuff, which is kind of weird. How to win an OTS. UE4 Dune Buggy. I really want to look at this. I have to turn off this music if I'm gonna be able to hear anything. So this was a 22-minute video, and this is a 20-minute video. So it's pretty much. Wait, isn't Color Paint the name of Cam Shepard game last year? No, that was Paint Color. That was their name for their game. Ooh. Yeah. Damn. That looks. Ooh. Oh boy. Yeah. Oops. Oh, there we go. I don't know if I like the heat hazing. The heat hazing, by the way, is the roughness that's like making everything like do 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 do. I don't know if I like that. Like maybe I like that, but like with less intensity, maybe. Oh, now he's gonna work on the, yeah. Ooh, that looks really nice. You know what I want to do is I want to do this. I want to have the option menu have actual things. Oh crap. Oh, I found a major issue in the options menu. I need to change real quick. This right here, I need a. It's an image. That's fine and all, but it's an image. That's the problem. I need a button to go from here all the way to over there. And this needs to be anchored into the middle. And what is this image? I don't know. I don't know what the image is. But basically in style and in normal, it needs to be... Crap, I hate this. Boop, there. Menu. Blank. There. Get rid of that. There. So the problem was that whenever I would click on the image, it would actually get rid of my cursor because it's an image. So now it should say, oh, that's weird. Oh, because I'm hovering over it. That's why. Hold on. So if I go under hovered in here, crap. I do blink. There. Now it should be a hell of a lot more better. There we go. But now if I press on it, then it's like that. So I have to change that as well. So in pressed, I need to do blink, and the tint needs to be all the way up. Okay, good. Now something that I can't change no matter how much I try is, oh, it actually doesn't do it here. Okay, cool. Never mind then. Basically just like this. See how it moves? That's because this is also a button. Because this also got rid of my cursor. Okay. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to set like the world time. So how I'm gonna do that is I'm going to have an input edible top box text maybe. Hold on, why am I under the button? I don't want to be under that. The menu looks cool. Yeah, thanks. No, we're gonna have common. We're gonna have a text box. That's the text content for this edible text box. Okay. Day, night, cycle, value. There it is. It doesn't want to change where it's at right now. Oh, that's because it's inside the button. Stop being inside that button. Oh, that sounds weird. Okay, go under and in. God fucking damn it. God. Shit. Needs to be over that. Okay, thank you. Jesus Christ. And and then we need to have where's the performance clipping navigation appearance? Here we go. Font. Here we go. Size 18. So this is a text box. Allows the user to type custom text. Only permits a single line of text to be entered. Okay. So now if I do this and do this, options. There we go. So if I said 60, whatever. Okay. There. So now I did that. I think I know how to do this on my own. I don't know. Okay, so now if I go into here, wait, no, let's rename this. Okay, let's go into here, let's copy that, and then into here, we're gonna do that. Day, night, cycle. Text. Oh, input text. Okay. Now if I go into graph, unclicked back, yeah. if I do, I didn't actually do that part yet. Right, compile, save, and then all the way down here, on text change, committed, called whenever text is committed. This happens when the user presses enter on the text block, loses focus. Okay. So we need to call, and oh god, but it's in here. I don't want to. I don't want to. I have day length in here though. Ooh. Wait a minute. Hold on, go to third person character. Let's make a new variable called third. Wait, what am I doing? Called day length. I want to see if this still works. Let's do set, whatever, I don't care. And this value is, oh, oops. Compile. There we go. Now set this as 30. Compile. There. Now get rid of this. Do cast to third person character. Do get player character, and actually I'm gonna turn music back on. There you go. Before we even do any of this, we actually need to do this, then do that. Okay, then we need to get day length. There we go. Now what if we do it like that? There's probably gonna be an error. No, no error. Alright, well let's see if it even still works. It still works! Yes! Now the reason why I did that is because I can't call a variable from the third person example map. I can't do that. It doesn't let me. It won't let me call a variable from the third person example map, but it will from the third person character, which is why I made it in there. So I'm actually going to delete this. Say yes. And then in here, I'm going to make this a thing. So now, if I actually click on this, inside details, if I go into default, I can change the day length in here. So let's say 0.5. Oops. I'm able to change it into there. And now it's back to like normal, which is awesome. And I can change it to be really fast, but I don't want to do that because it might crash my computer. Okay, awesome. So now that I've done that, I can cast it to here. But I'll need to change it. How would I change it? How would I change that? I'm a little confused. I have to make another variable. Hold on. How would you? I'm trying to think. Clock. Yeah, how did I do the clock again? It was the HUD. Yeah, it was these. This is what I'm looking for. So in here, we actually had the text value. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Ah, text by ref. So whatever they type in. So let's just hope that they type in an integer. Can I convert? To string text? No, it won't let me do an integer. Okay, that's fine. Can I convert this to... Can I convert this to... No, I can't convert that to a float. Okay. Okay, so let's just say input text for now, and this is going to be a float. We're going to say set. This will be set. Oh, yeah, I can't do that. I'm trying to think. Let's just see if it will even work here. Print text. So if I'm able to hit play, and let's go to options. There you go, it worked. So whenever I press enter on this, it actually, well, it does it twice for some reason, but so this actually works. It's just, it says text there, so maybe there's a different thing here actually. Instead of a text box, there might be, yeah, input, editable texts. Maybe, I don't know. User created. It could be a slider. Control the value between 0 and 1. That's what we need. That's what we should have, actually. That's what we should have had. We have a slider inside of a button, which I'm a little pissed that it keeps doing that shit to me. Okay. It's here. That's a small ass slider. Can I make that a little bit bigger, please? The value is going to be at 0.5 because that's what it's at right now. Look at that. Cool. Horizontal, vertical, horizontal. Slide bar color. Oh, I don't care about that. Step size. I don't know what that does. Style. Normal bar image. Bar thickness. That doesn't change anything, dude. Oh, yeah, it does. It does that. I don't care about that. I want to make the whole thing bigger. I can make it longer. I just can't make it bigger. How does that look, actually? It's so bad. I mean... Slot anchors, position... I don't care about that. It goes all the way up to 1 for some reason. Create binding. Yeah, I forgot how to do this, by the way, so I'm just gonna I'm just gonna get out of that. And I just got rid of it. That's great. Clock. Oh, what? No, apparently it's right here. Okay. Wait, what? No, that's not what I want anyways. Stupid. Here we go. Okay. Whether the slidable area should be indented to fit the handle. Oh yeah. Do we want it to go out of it like that? Or do we want it to stay inside? I want it to stay inside. Locked. Whether the handle is interactive or fixed. No, I want it to be interactive. That's just a... What would that choose? What would that change? Well, that's cool. I can add like a gradient there and shit. Well, I mean... Can I get a none? Here, none. There we go. The thumb image. How do I make the thumb scale? There we go. That's what I was looking for. Thank you. It's much more easier to read now. I mean, it's still a little, oh, that's the position. Scale XY. Yeah, that's way better, dude. Way better. Okay. Compile and save. Now, what kind of events does it do? On mouse capture, on value changed by slider typing. Invoked when, okay. Invoked when controller capture begins, capture ends. When the mouse is released and capture ends. Invoked when the mouse is pressed and capture begins. Called when the value is changed by slider or typing. Okay, I'm gonna do that. Yes, it's a float. Good. Input text. Yeah. We're gonna have this be a set. Whatever that value is, it's going to be set to that. And just to make sure that it's gonna work, let's get rid of this because that's not even a thing anymore. We're gonna have a print string, and it's going to be converted to there. Compile and save. Options. It won't let me slide it. 20% so far. All right. It's not letting me slide it anyways. Well, first of all, there's that. Second of all, it's not letting me slide it. I'll get rid of that. Why won't it let me slide it? That's really weird. Was it because of that? It shouldn't be. It worked. That's the thing. It actually worked. It's just not sliding this. So I had it print the value. But the thing is, so I'm having it print the value. You know what I mean? But the thing is, dude, the slider won't move. So I can change the value for whatever I want. So all the way over here is 1. This is 0.5 and this is 0. I can't move the slider, but the values work. So I mean, that's a +1 in my book. That's a win in my book, god damn it. Let's have a text box here. Let's say day/night cycle. Day/night cycle. Speed. I wish I could change the sliders max value and min value. Performance clipping and hear it clipping to bounds. I don't really care. Navigation. No, that doesn't. Because I can also do vertical. It lets me do that. Horizontal though. Get value. Remove binding because I don't know how to do that. Appearance. Slider ball color. That's a new record in the dictionary. It shouldn't be. It's not locked. Would that mean that it isn't active? Maybe. Oh no, that means that I can't actually move it at all. Oh. When it's fixed and I try to move it, it just got rid of my cursor. It's like, nope, don't do that. Okay. Well, let's not have that. Okay, well, it doesn't matter, because you know what? It changes things anyway. So, now that input text is here, we're actually going to change this to say, day, night, cycle, value, speed value. That's long, but it's descriptive, so now we can go into here. Cast to no, we want to cast it to we actually want to cast it to compass or options menu. Get day night speed cycle value and then have that equaled to have that be equaled to the thing. It's hard for me to explain. Day length. It's like this is good and all, but we need a set day length. Okay, hold on. Let me just extend this back more. I'm hoping that this will work, by the way. Okay. Now we need to cast this again. Oh, crud. This needs to go over here. That needs to go over here. And then this needs to go over here. Okay. And then this can go over here. Now I'm going to do that. Now I need to copy these. And then move this down here. Move this up here because this needs to come in first. Actually, I'm pretty sure I can just do this. Add another one, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do it the hard way. Just to make sure, an absolute certainty that it might work. That if this is actually a thing, then it'll work. We need to get day slash get day slash. It's not here. Oh, because the cast is a third person. I don't want to cast it a third person character. I want to cast to options menu. There we go. How will I get the options menu class thing? No, it won't let me do that. Because if I hit this, it won't work. I'm just going to try connect something to cast it on a... Hold on, let me look this up. I don't know how to look this up. How to cast to a widget. UE4. Yeah, there we go. I like the phones, but I couldn't find the precise solution I was looking for. Which node do you have to attach to the object port? And yeah, I tried widget object and widget reference variable, but neither worked. Thanks in advance. You can also use the reference directly without having to get all widget of class. Store the reference in a variable when it is returned from create widget node. What? Not very expensive Blueprint said, could you please help me understand what you meant by returning? And where is this create widget supposed to be? Well, I know where that's supposed to be, but I want you to put it into visuals for me. Okay, so what happened to the other answer that was there? I'm sorry if I try to explain something you already know, but here it goes. This doesn't have to be begin play. The widget must exist in the world. I believe this is in, it's in the main menu. That is in the main menu. In here. Yep. Right here. I don't know who that is. In order to communicate with the widget, you need this reference. Right click on the return value on the create widget node and choose promote to variable. What? In order to communicate with the widget, you need this reference. Right click on return value. Oh. Okay, let's try this. So I need options menu. So the option menu is over here. So let's right click here, promote to variable. Let's set this as reference to options menu. Put this in there. There you go. And they just put it in there. So now if I were to, where was it? In here. How would I? Hold on. Now I'm just confused. Thank you for your patience and response. I have no idea why the other answer disappeared. Anyways, I tried what you explained, but I'm having trouble with the reference to widget BP. The widget BP doesn't provide begin play, so I had to set it like this. Event tick, do once. Okay. Create widget, one widget. Okay. Widget one. Set ref. I found an alternative way that works perfectly, but thank you so much for answering patiently. I appreciate it. Ignore the booleans, they're just meant for other BP references. Okay. So on press button fire. Okay. Cast to side scroller character. Convent. Get play upon. See top. I can't really see that. Convent. And then. Wait, how do you call it though? I'm confused. So basically what I'm trying to do right now is make it so that whatever they here, if I just hit play, go into options, whatever they put into here, it actually says the value right here, but whatever value they put in, it'll set the day and night cycle speed. And so I got my reference of the day length, which is what it was before. It's actually at 0 right now, so if I actually play this, there should be, yeah, it should be just stuck in time, which it is. But I want the player to be able to pause it, go to options, and then do that. But hold on, actually, if I do file, hold on a second. I actually really want to try something real quick. File. Or where's, okay, edit project settings. Here we go. And then if I go to input, action mapping, bindings. Yeah. Okay. I'm going to add a new action mapping. This is going to be called pause. And the bind key is going to be escape. There you go. There we go. So yeah. Well, the thing is that if I press, oh, what if I do shift escape? Nothing happens. Okay. I might just change it to shift escape then, because if I press escape, it's just going to close out of the thing, because that's just how Unreal is. Hold on, let me stop that. So input, let me go back to action mapping, pause, escape, and let's do... Oh, there's no shift option. Oh, no, shift is like, okay. Shift. Boom. Okay, and now in here, or let's do in third person character. Let's do input action how did they get that? Oh, they probably use custom events. I don't know. Okay, well. Anyways. Reference to options menu. Because I have this here. It's just I need this to be able to go into here. Cannot place variable and external scope. Yeah, so. But if I do cast to options menu, if I drag that off, I could probably get it on. Get reference to self. Would that work? That might work. I actually have no idea if that's gonna work or not. Hold on. I don't know. As options menu, we want to get day night speed. Okay, this might actually work. I don't actually know. This value is going to go up into here. There. Yeah. Options menu does not inherit from, yeah, it doesn't. Yeah, I didn't think so. Select asset. Oh, I can just select, okay. Options menu. I selected it, but it didn't even work. Okay, hold on. Let me see. A few things I was going to tell you, but I didn't get around to before you solved it. And it... Well, that's not solving it. Convent. How do you cast to widget from character? BP. Okay. Widget side scroller. You could alternatively handle that trade information through the level blueprint or something similar as a middle ground for your widget and character blueprint. At least for me, that would look cleaner for the bool directly through the character. If you did that, then you could check for your widget being pressed in the level BP and then initializing. Oh, maybe. Would that work in here though? I feel like it wouldn't. Is that gonna work? Okay, so this is working, but this is not. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay, my parents are going to bed, so I'm gonna end it here. But I might do this tomorrow as well. I don't know. Depends. But yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, favorite, comment, subscribe if you did. And I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.